In this lesson, we are calculating the volume of a rectangular prism. Remember that the volume is the space in a 3D object. In this activity, James is packing small dice into a box like this. Each edge of the die is 1 centimeter. How many dice will hold in the box? That is a volume question. We're going to follow these instructions to develop the formula for calculating the volume. This grid on the right represents the base of the box, which is 5 units by 3 units. 5 units by 3 units. This gives us the area of the base. How many cubes are in the base? 15. And we know that because length times width, 5 times 3. Therefore, the area of the base is 15 centimeters squared. The height of the box is 4, which means we need 4 layers. In each layer, there are 15 cubes. So we multiply the area of the base times the height, which is 4. 15 times 4 is 60. Therefore, the volume of the box is 60 centimeters cube. We use the formula volume length times width, which is the area of the base, multiplied by the height. Units will always be in cubed because you are multiplying 3 numbers together. If we take the same model and turn it, so the base is 3 by 4, 3 times 4 is 12 centimeters squared. The height is 5. Area of the base is 12 times 5, which is the height, gives us 60 centimeters cubed. If I take that same box and turn it a different way, so my base is 4 by 5 centimeters, 4 times 5. The area of the base is 20. The height this time is 3. 20 times 3 is 60. It does not matter which number you put first. It will always multiply out to be the same. We are going to use the formula length times width times height to calculate the volume of each of these prisms. Our length, 12, times our width, 3, times our height, 2. 12 times 3 times 2 is 72 centimeters cubed. I'm going to do B for you, and then I'd like you to do C. Volume is, always write down your formula, length times width times height. Now substitute the numbers. 20 times 10 times 6.5. The answer is 1,300 centimeters cubed. Your turn to do the next question. In this activity, I'm going to show you how we make a 3D sketch of a rectangular prism. Our length is 4, so I'm going to go 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. My width is 2 centimeters. 1, 2. The height is 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add the height to this vertice and the height of 3 centimeters to that vertice. I'm going to connect the dots as neatly as possible. Width is 2, length is 4. If I draw lines connecting all the dots, you will see all the linking cubes if you were to make this structure yourself. Now you are going to calculate the volume of this rectangular prism. Sometimes you will be given a volume and you need to calculate the dimensions of the cube or the rectangular prism. They've started you out by giving you a base of 6 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide. Your area is 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12 centimeters squared. What height is needed if we have a volume of 24 centimeters cubed? Complete the drawing and determine the height.